The Russian economy is being impacted by the rising fuel prices and shortages. Industries are grappling with increased operational costs due to the spike in fuel prices, leading to a surge in the prices of goods and services. This is fueling inflation, compelling the Russian central bank to raise interest rates, which in turn is putting a strain on households and dampening economic activity. Russia, already in a recession, is struggling to find a path to economic recovery amidst these challenges. The ban on the export of gasoline and diesel is a desperate measure to stabilize the domestic market, but it comes at the cost of losing valuable international revenue and potentially long-term international market share. The sanctions imposed due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine have had a cascading effect, disrupting Russia's oil export dynamics. The loss of affluent European buyers and the shift in demand from finished products to crude oil by countries like India and China have left Russia struggling to maintain the operational viability of its refineries. The agricultural sector is particularly at risk due to fuel shortages during the crucial harvesting season. The inability to harvest crops in time could lead to significant losses, further straining the Russian economy. In conclusion, Russia's ban on the export of gasoline and diesel is indicative of the deepening crisis in its oil sector and the broader economy. The repercussions of this crisis are likely to be felt across various sectors, with inflation and interest rates rising and economic growth stifled. The long-term implications could see Russia losing its foothold in international oil markets, and its economy struggling to recover from the multifaceted impacts of sanctions, changing market dynamics, and internal policy decisions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video informative, please consider supporting the channel through super thanks, as we put a lot of work and time into these videos for you, as our channel is growing, but is very small now. So it does cost us money to do these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and analyses.